Nationwide Paintball Extra Play tickets are ideal for company days out. They include everything you require to start a day out at Nationwide Paintball. It's really fast and simple. Here's how it works. 1. Decide how many tickets you want. 2. Click the Buy Now button. 3. Fill in the details and get your tickets sent to you. 4. Call us up once you have your tickets and book on 08453 707 570. It's that simple. Don't know when you want to play? No problem. It's easy. You get 6 months to choose from. You want to invite more people? No problem. You can purchase additional tickets at any time. Don't know if there's a venue near you? No problem. Just check the venue page to find the closest venue. Here's what your ticket entitles you to. All-day entry to a paintball venue. 8 exciting games, 4 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. Protective face mask rental. Paintball marker gun rental. Free gas propellant all day. 200 shot hopper. Overall suit hire. Full insurance. Plus a full 100 paintballs for each player at the start of the day. So what are you waiting for? Get your paintball tickets today from the easiest way to book paintball nationwide.